But first, large parts of Tasmania are experiencing wet and windy weather today, prompting warnings from authorities. Our reporter Lauren Evans has the latest from Hobart.
Parts of Tasmania's northwest, northeast and central plateau will see severe weather this afternoon and evening. Wind gusts up to 100 kilometres per hour are possible for those regions. A trough is coming in from the west of the state, bringing that heavy rain and strong winds. Launceston is only expecting a shower or two, with some gusts of up to 40 kilometres per hour. Conditions should ease overnight into Friday, but authorities are warning residents to be prepared. Here in Hobart, conditions are calm, but some showers are expected.